Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to lead magnet review. Thank you for promoting lead magnet and lead generation mastery. How much you can earn? The funnel 50% commissions funnel wide FE $24.25.99 you up $27.99. How does it work? The process is very simple. Visitors click on the referral link that you shared with them or that you placed on your site or in an email. The visitor's IP is logged and a cookie is placed in their browser for tracking purposes. The cookie is valid for 60 days. The visitors browsers our site and may decide to order. If the visitors orders a membership, the order will be registered as a sale for you and you will receive a 50% commission on the sale. So friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video's descriptions.